Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to the panels. I am Muhammad Imran HAKIM bin HAZIANOLKIMI. Today I will talk about the relationship between leadership style and job satisfaction among the FSR lecturer at UiTM Malaysia. Number one is research objective. So I have three research objectives. RO1 is to identify the type of leadership style among the FSR lecturer in UiTM Malaysia. RO2 is to identify the level of job satisfaction among the FSR lecturer in UiTM Malaysia. RO3 is to examine the relationship between leadership style and job satisfaction among the FSR lecturer in UiTM Malaysia. Next is research gap. The issue that need to be solved is determine which leadership strategy are most successful in helping an individual work performance. If it is ineffectual, it indicates that the team leaders still lack the ability necessary to guide the group, and the leadership development are still falling short of expectation. Next is methodology. So under methodology have risk design and population sample. So under research design I have three things. First is quantitative research, second is non-experimental study, third is survey method. So under population sample, among FSR lecturer in UiTM Malaysia, for the population is 135 population. So the numbers I get are through the UiTM website. So for the sample have 92 sample based on Crazy and Morgan 19 and 70. So add 20% for unwritten questionnaire. So the total I get is 110 respondent. Next is data collection procedure. Under data collection procedure have five things. So first is ethic approval, second is ask permission to do research, third is give briefing to the sample about the study of the questionnaire, fourth is distribute the questionnaire, and fifth collect the questionnaire. Next is data analysis. So for the research objective is to identify the type of the leadership styles among the FSR lecturer in UiTM Malaysia. So for the analysis, I use descriptive analysis, mean and standard deviation. So for the second is to identify the level of job satisfaction among the FSR lecturer in UiTM Malaysia. So same, I use descriptive analysis, mean and standard deviation. So third is to examine the relationship between the leadership style and job satisfaction among the FSR lecturer. So for this, I use inferential analysis, Pearson correlation. Next is the results. So we have the descriptive statistic for the three leadership style. First is the authoritarian, democratic, and laissez-faire. The table present the sample size, the mean score, and the standard deviation for each style. Each leadership style has same sample size of 94 participants. So the mean score are quite close. For authoritarian have 3.08, for the democratic have 3.10, and for the laissez-faire is 3.09. This suggests that the participant view this leadership style are similar in effectiveness. So the standard deviation also quite similar, indicating consistency response across participants for the each style. For second result is RO2. So the table provide descriptive statistic for the dependent variable job satisfaction. We can see that the sample of the sample size is 94 participants, ensuring solid data set for analysis. So the mean of score for job satisfaction is 3.04, indicating an average level of satisfaction among the FSR lecturer. So the standard deviation is 0.416, reflecting low variability. Participant had similar view. Such low variability suggesting consistency perception of job satisfaction within the sample. The third result is for the RO3 is this slide present the correlation metric between the leadership style and job satisfaction. The Pearson for the DV is 0.430, showing moderate positive correlation between or with the IV. Degree of freedom is 92, which reflect the sample size minus 2, the standard formula according to the correlation. the p-value is less than 0.001, indicating that the correlation is statistically significant. So that means there are strong evidence to reject the null hypothesis, confirming positive relationship. I guess that's all from me. Thank you.